Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Think UPSC Win UPSC। आज इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 6 NCERT ज्योग्राफी द अर्थ अवर हैबिटेट के चैप्टर वाइज एक्सप्लेनेशन की सीरीज में चैप्टर 4 मैप समझेंगे। We studied about the advantages of the globe in the last chapter. However, globe has its limitation as well. A globe can be useful when we want to study the earth as a whole, but when we want to study a part of earth as about our country, state, district, town, villages, globe cannot be used. So हमने लास्ट चैप्टर में ग्लोब के एडवांटेजेस के बारे में पढ़ा। ग्लोब के अपने लिमिटेशंस भी होते हैं। एक ग्लोब जब यूज़फुल होता है जब हमें अर्थ एज अ होल पढ़ना होता है, बट इफ़ वी वांट टू स्टडी द पार्ट ऑफ अर्थ एज अबाउट आवर कंट्री, स्टेट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स, टाउन्स, villages, globe cannot be used. In such a situation, we use map. A map is a representation or a drawing of Earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to the scale. In such situation में हम map use करते हैं और map एक representation होता है drawing of Earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to the scale. When many maps are put together, we get an atlas. Atlas are of various size, measurement, drawn on different scale. Maps provide more information than a globe. They are of different types. So जब maps बहुत सारे maps put together होते हैं उसे atlas बोलते हैं. Atlases are of various size, measurement, drawn on different scale. Maps जो होते हैं वो ज़्यादा information provide करते हैं globe से, और maps different types के होते हैं. First is the physical map. Maps showing natural feature of earth such as mountains, plateaus, plain, river, ocean, etc. are called physical or relief maps. Second map is political maps. Maps showing cities, towns, villages and different countries and states of the world with their boundary is called political maps. So political maps जो कि cities, towns, villages और different countries and states of the world with their boundaries show करते हैं उसे political maps कहते हैं. Thematic maps. Some map focus on specific information such as road map, rainfall maps, map showing distribution of forests, industries, etc. are called as thematic maps. So maps जिनमें focus रहता है specific information पे उन्हें बोलते हैं thematic maps. There are three components of map: distance, direction and symbol. Distance. Maps are drawings which reduce the entire world or a part of it to fit on a piece of paper, or we can say maps are drawn to reduced scale. Scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. So map क्या है? Map drawing है which reduce the entire world, जो कि entire world को एक piece of paper पे fit करता है, उसे हम map बोलते हैं. और we can say maps are drawn to reduced scales. Scale क्या होता है? Scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. Most map contain an arrow marked with letter N at the upper right hand corner. This arrow shows the north direction. It is called the north line. When we know the north, we can find out other direction, for example east, west and south. There are four major directions: north, south, east and west. They are called cardinal points. So सारे maps में upper right hand corner पर N लिखा होता है, that is the north line. और अगर हमें नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन पता होती है हम बाकी की तीन डायरेक्शन पता कर सकते हैं, जो कि नॉर्थ के अलावा है साउथ, ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट. इन्हें हम कार्डिनल पॉइंट्स कहते हैं. Compass. It is an instrument used to find out main direction. Its magnet always point towards the north-south direction. Symbols. It is not possible to draw on a map the actual shape and size of different features such as building, road, bridges, trees or a well. Building, roads, bridges, trees का actual shape और size में map पर draw नहीं किया जा सकता. So they are shown by certain letters, shades, color, picture and line. So उन्हें different letter, shades, color, picture में show किया जाता है. These symbols give a lot of information in a limited space. So ये symbols lot of information share करते हैं limited space में. With the use of these symbols, map can be drawn easily and are simple to read. Maps have a universal language that can be understood by all. There is an international agreement regarding the use of these symbols. Some of the conventional symbols are given below. Sketch. What is a sketch? A sketch is a drawing mainly based on memory and spot observation and not to scale. Sometimes a rough drawing is required of an area to tell where a particular place is located. So a sketch is a rough drawing of an area. Plan. A plan is a drawing of small area on large scale. A large scale map gives a lot of information, but there are certain things which we may sometimes want to know, for example, length and breadth of a room which cannot be shown on a map. At that time we see plan of a room drawn to scale. This was all about maps. Like and share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for such informative videos.